Today I'm going to be covering a new feature that we've recently released to our selection software. It actually involves the ability to input two separate exhaust temps in a single line item. I'll run an example just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I have a selection here that I'm going to open up. As you can see, it's a small unit, 5,000 CFMs. And these are winter conditions where we're entering our supply at 30 degrees and entering our exhaust at 70 degrees. So I'll hit calculate. As you can see, we have these results here. I'll click economic analysis. So the layout of this page has changed a little bit. Before, the steps were kind of placed on opposite sides of the screen here, but now we've actually shortened the number of steps and just put everything on the left-hand side. So let's run through an example. I'm going to start by choosing the city. And for this case, I'll just choose, let's say, Illinois, Chicago O'Hare, and click Apply. So the next thing you want to do is select the occupied hours of runtime. And what I'm going to do is just do 24/7 for this application. So then I'll click Load Bin Data. You can see the temperatures. The outside supply temperatures have been auto-filled. Then you go to step 4, which is exhaust air temp. Now here you have the ability to do a process application, which is just a single exhaust temp, or cooling and heating, which is 2 exhaust temps. I'm going to do 2 exhaust temps, and you can enter in your cooling season exhaust, and I'm going to do 75 and let's say 50% RH, and heating season exhaust I'll do 70 dry bulb and let's say 60% RH. And you can also enter in a temperature at which anything below that temperature you're going to be in heating mode, so you're going to use your heating season exhaust temperature, which will be 70 degrees and 60% RH. So once you got all that filled in, just click Submit. And then calculate economic analysis. So if you like, you can actually fill in other info here on the left-hand side, like heating type and rates, if you're using gas or gas heating, electric, all the good stuff. You can actually do other inputs like EERs, your fan efficiencies, etc. And calculate. I'm just going to leave it as default just for this example. And then continue. And then save and close. And then if you want to see the results, what we actually do is either do a submittal, or I'm going to do a report because I'm just interested in that single line item. And I'll do bin analysis, report. And as you can see, we have the 2 separate exhaust temps within one selection. And the benefits of that is you can actually see your net savings year-round as your exhaust temps fluctuate. Previously, you can only do one input, so you'd have to do separate selections for winter and summer and then kind of compare your net savings and sort of extract the values that you're looking for. And you can also see performance based on those 2 separate exhaust temps. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. We actually have a lot more videos that cover our selection software. Anything that you guys like to see, we cover different types of applications. And we run through new features that we've released in the past. So please check those out. And again, I thank you for watching.